Chapter 10, More on Email. Topics covered in this chapter: create an email account, attach a file, use an email account, give reply to forward and delete emails. Electronic mail or email is a way of sending email from one computer to another computer anywhere in the world. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल या ईमेल दुनिया में कहीं भी एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर पर ईमेल भेजने का एक तरीका है. The World Wide Web, often called WWW, is the most commonly used service on the internet. वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, जिससे अक्सर WWW कहा जाता है, इंटरनेट पर सबसे अधिक इस्तेमाल की जाने वाली सेवा है. Advantages of email: it is fast and takes few seconds to reach its destination. It is cost effective. It can be sent to any number of people at no extra cost. Message can be of a few lines or 1000 lines. Cost is the same. ईमेल के लाभ: यह तेज है और इससे अपने गंतव्य तक पहुंचने में कुछ सेकंड लगते हैं. यह लागत प्रभावी है. इससे बिना किसी अतिरिक्त लागत के लोगों की टोनी संख्या में भेजा जा सकता है. संदेश कुछ लाइनों या हजारों लाइनों का हो सकता है. लागत समान है. We use an email ID and the address of the receiver to send any email. www.gmail.com, www.yahoomail.com, www.facebook.com, www.hotmail.com. User can change his password but not his account details. Features of email programs: inbox, a folder that contains all the received messages or emails. Compose, this option is used to write a new message. Send, all composed messages are sent using this option. Reply, this option is used to reply a received message. Forward, this option is used to forward a copy of received message to other people. Delete, all the selected messages are deleted using this option. Contacts, it stores the email addresses of other people. Fact to know: the history of the internet began with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. This began with point-to-point communication between mainframe computers and terminals. To create an email account: Step 1. Internet Explorer, double-click. Address bar www.gmail.com. Press enter key. Create account. For myself, first name PP, last name MNB, username PP MNB 66, password Odisha India, confirm password Odisha India. Next, phone number 8018090691. Month December, day 25, year 1999. Gender male. Next, send. OTP will go to mobile number. 702461. Verify. Yes, I am in. I agree. Email address is double p double p mnp66@gmail.com. Use in Gmail account. Step 1. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Double click. Address bar www.gmail.com. Press enter key. Sign in to continue to Gmail. Double p mnp 66@gmail.com. Next, password Odisha India. Next, confirm. Gmail account is ppmnp66@gmail.com. Compose option is used to write a new message. Inbox contains all received messages. Compose write a new message to sender email address roshni.99901 @gmail.com. Subject document. Message box, type here to message. Points to review. Compose option is used to write a new message. Enter key dash. Inbox contains all received messages. Send. Message sent. So sender email address has Chrome browser, Gmail, inbox, email address ppmnb66@gmail.com. Single click, message has. Compose option is used to write a new message. Inbox contains all received messages. Reply, thanks for SMS. Send. Then you will go to Internet Explorer, inbox, reply messages, me, Odia 2, document, reply messages has thanks for SMS. Then compose, send to attachment, sender email address roshni.99901@gmail.com. Attach file. Attach files, desktop, select image, open, file has attached, send. Message sent to roshni.99901@gmail.com. Now you will go to Chrome browser, inbox, ppmnp66@gmail.com. Inbox, attached file has. Click this image. You can download. Right mouse button click, show in folder, file here.